I recently got back from a trip to Portugal and Spain, and I wanted to share some of the gear that I brought with me, starting out with my wallet. This is the Hide Seek by Bellroy. I specifically wanted to test this wallet because first off, it just looks really nice. It's large enough for cards, banknotes, and multiple currencies, and a nice security feature where you can store bills behind a hidden flap. This wallet is a great option for Europe because it comes in two thicknesses, kind of the thinner one here, and a little bit fatter one that holds thicker banknotes. I opted for the thinner version called the low under 74 millimeter because this is going to fit all US bills and pretty much everything but the largest euro notes. And just to show you what I mean, I have currencies from like 20 countries here, and these are pretty much all going to fit in there. Some of the slightly fatter ones, like this is a 50 note from Uruguay and Jordan. These are pretty much close to maxing it out, but they'll still fit. I don't have any of the larger 50, 100 euro notes. Those things are about 82 millimeters tall, which is pretty much maxing out this wallet. They're going to be fitting here, but just barely sticking out the top. But like I said, if you tend to travel in Europe a lot and you use the larger than 20 euro notes, then you can always go with the larger high version of this wallet. As far as the security goes, this is called the Hide Seek wallet because it has several hidden sleeves here for credit cards or coins, and this security flap in the back, which I like because I'm a big fan of keeping larger denominations separate, especially when you're out in public. Give you a close-up view of what that looks like when you open the wallet. Normally, it just looks like a regular wallet. However, there's this little leather flap on the top, which you can fold out. There's a thin fabric separator, and you can hide your larger denomination bills behind this flap where you can't see them when you open the wallet normally. The way I use this is by keeping the smaller denominations in this front sleeve, just kind of the money that you use throughout the day. Keep larger denominations in this back part where you can't see them. When you run out of small money, you can take a larger bill out of the back and transfer it into the front. You could also use this feature just for keeping your currencies separate if you're going between countries with different currencies, so you don't get them mixed up. As far as the card holders, Bellroy says this can hold between 5 and 12. It can hold 12, but it's going to be kind of a lot while it's going to be a little bit fat. So I would say a more reasonable number with this is more like 5 to 8. I've been carrying around 7 cards in mine. I like this organization. I think it makes sense. The right side here, there's 3 slots. I use these for my most often used card. And the bottom one has this little slanted sleeve for easier access. On the left side is a single sleeve down here in the middle. This is where I usually keep my driver's license for easy access. And just so you know, you can jam multiple cards in each of these slots, but this is leather, so I didn't want to do that, stretch it out. I think it's better just to keep one per slot. With the exception being this kind of larger dump sleeve on the back. It's a little bit deeper, goes all the way down to the bottom, and it's a little bit thicker. This isn't going to stretch out. You can fit 3, 4 cards in here without a problem. And because these cards are going to slide down out of sight here, so you can't see them on the front, this is a good place to just put random cards, extra debit or credit card, identification, receipts, stuff like that. They kind of stay hidden and keep the front of the wallet looking nice and clean. In addition to the card sleeves, you can see there are, because this is the Hide Seek wallet, several additional sleeves on the back here. There's one in this kind of main part of the wallet hidden here in the back. You can fit a card in here. And there is a second one hidden behind the flap. That's going to stay pretty much hidden. That's good for an extra debit or credit card. That's pretty much it for the features. As far as my experience with this goes, I really like the look on this. Leather on the outside, the inside, with fabric liner and the sleeve divider. I've been using this wallet almost daily for about 2 months. It is showing some slight wear here on the corner, but that's to be expected. I like the style and design on this wallet. The card sleeves make sense. It's intuitive and easy to use. The security flap feature is really nice because I think it's important to keep large bills out of sight, separate from your regular money, especially when you're traveling out in public. I like that it has options for hiding cards in at least 3 different places. This kind of large dump pocket here, several sleeves here in the back, and one here inside this inside flap. I guess the only downside to being able to hold so many cards in so many places is this wallet doesn't really force you to downsize your card collection. So you can fill this wallet up pretty thick with the max it can hold, and you're going to end up with a pretty fat wallet. Really, my only con with this wallet is the Bellroy logo, little owl on the front here. It looks really cool, but it's metal and kind of sticks up a little bit. I'll show you that from the side. You can see it's kind of popping up there a little bit. Also, you can kind of see in the light here, because of this extra flap on the security divider, plus the way the cards stack up with all these dividers, you kind of get a little ridge right here where it's a little bit fatter towards the top of the wallet. It does kind of mellow out a little bit when you stick a lot of bills in there, but it's more noticeable when you're holding the wallet. It's not really thick enough. I haven't noticed this feeling in my back pocket when I'm sitting on it. That's all I have for the review of the Bellroy Hide Seek wallet. Again, this is the low size in caramel color, or caramel if you prefer, since this is technically an Australian company. So I hope you stick around. I have a lot of reviews coming up. I have some more Bellroy products, including the Venture Pack. I'll be coming out a few weeks. I have a trip review of the Camino Portuguese that I just hiked. So I hope you stick around for those. And again, thanks for watching.